Yeah. The Bling Kingz. You already know how we do it. We light shit up. I just want to show y'all a little something I was working on. Customer came up to me. He got this fly ass gothic like jacket over here. And he asked me to light it up. So of course, me being the Bling King, you know what time it is. I light this bitch up. This black jacket right here got 12 separate installed LED lights. It's all white. Got the remote control. Just gotta flick the switch and bang. Yep, that's it right there. We got one long one in the front, two smaller ones on the sides there. Let me just lift it up, flip it around, get a look at the back side. You got the arms, you got the shoulders lit up. You got the whole tail back end lit up. Yes, sir. TBK. You want to be bright and light? I'm the nigga to come see. And this remote control has different modes. We can speed it up. It goes real fast. I could make it solid, all white. I can make it fade. Look at that. You already know. There's only one team that does it like this, baby. The Bling Kingz. We bling it to you. Bang.